Before we had maps on our screens, before we had cameras in our phones, before we could make calls in the middle of nowhere, all the way back in 1997, we set course for the world's highest motorable pass, almost out of reach in the upper Himalayas. Why? Because when you live for the next ride, something this crazy sounds like a very sensible idea. 18,380 feet above sea level. An unreal landscape calling out to us. The road, our guardian angel, leading us to our destination as we earned our rite of passage to the Himalayas. A historical feat captured in stills. The iconic first ride to Khardung. That's where it all began. That's where we first asked ourselves, where to next?